loud explosion. Just to check, I climbed up to the rooftop. About 1 kilometer away, we could see white smoke coming out. And at that precise moment, there was a helicopter doing a flyby.
In disbelief. We never thought, we were all dumbfounded, really. I think not only us, even the government taken by surprise.
As the government, we will take all necessary action against any extremist group that is operating in our country, and we will stop these groups from operating in this country in the near future. Right now, the CID, the police, and the three forces are doing all the investigations. They have been identified, and they are taking the necessary investigation, and they will be taken into custody as soon as possible.
We moved back to this country after the war. Actually, myself, I was living elsewhere, and in 2011, because this is a peaceful country, and now we are just totally surprised and dumbfounded. But we will come out of this. I'm confident. I hope so.